Hey guys, this is a quick comparison video I wanted to do of the Convoy S21E and the Nextorch TA30C Max. Now, what do these lights have in common, you're probably wondering. Let's have a look under the reflector, the bezel, and you can see they have that same XHP50.3 high emitter in there. And this was actually video requested by one of my viewers, and I thought that I would go out and bring these along with me. I'm doing some beam shots soon, show you how they compare. And technically, look, this is not a tactical flashlight. The S21E has a tactical mode in here. We hold down that button, you've got to activate it first with 5 clicks. But the TA30C Max is basically in a whole different ballpark here. I mean, you're paying 3 times or more the price, 4 times the price of the S21E, and you've got a whole bunch of features here like the tactical bezel, gas braking bezel, battery indicator here on the side, quite a few different features. It's a lot more rugged, okay? But the S21E is one of my favorite EDC flashlights, just on how long it can actually sustain the highest output, the turbo output for. I think it's over 2 something minutes that it can sustain for such a small flashlight like this. It's very impressive. So I wanted to compare these, do some beam shots, okay? And if you have questions on either of these lights, just let me know, and I'll get back to you. But let's cut straight to the beam shots. Okay, so I've got the Convoy S21E versus the Nextorch TA30C Max, both with the XHP50.3 high. Start off with the Convoy S21E first. Okay, look at that. Incredible. The amount of throw and the overall light output for such a small flashlight. It's like a smaller version of the XHP50.3 high, really. It's almost like the SFT70, but more floody. Okay, so away and down again. This is on 100%, of course. And the great thing is just how it doesn't seem to step down until about two something minutes. So you've really got a huge amount of brightness. The light isn't even hot to the touch, just a little warm. Okay, TA30C Max. Okay, and that's got, I mean, this has got some decent throw to it. There's no doubt at the end of the day, this thing has some more of a kick to it. It's got a bigger reflector. Okay, S21E. There to look, that's the S21E. And that is the Nextorch TA30C Max. Okay. So it throws, certainly the Nextorch there throws further. But in terms of actual light output, very similar. I'd say they're producing like very similar amounts of light. It's just that the Nextorch has more concentrated lumens. So that's the S21E, Nextorch TA30C Max, S21E, TA30C Max. So, I mean, very impressive that the S21E is able to keep up, especially if you want to have a cheaper sort of tactical flashlight, because you can program this into tactical mode as well. Okay, the TA30C Max, and this is the S21E. Seem to be going back and forth now. I'm repeating myself a bit. But yeah, this is a little bit easier to see. TA30C Max here on that tree, the S21E. So yeah, that hotspot is obviously brighter.